Who doesn't dream about long, fluttering eyelashes? To achieve this result, you can buy pricey cosmetic products, expensive mascara, or false lashes. You can even resort to eyelash extensions. But before wasting tons of money, why don't you try these cheap and effective ways to make your eyelashes thick and beautiful in just 1 month? 1. Combing. Such a mundane activity as brushing your eyelashes can seriously improve their health. The process of combing makes the blood flow toward your eyelashes. As a result, it stimulates the eyelashes and they start to grow longer. Besides, brushing your eyelashes will remove all the debris and dust that accumulate on them. To comb your eyelashes, you can buy a special eyebrow brush or use a thoroughly washed old mascara brush. If you add several drops of vitamin E to the brush, the result will be even more prominent. Gently comb your eyelashes for 5 minutes twice a day. You should start from the roots and move the brush toward the tips of your lashes. 2. Natural essential oils. Natural oils, coconut, olive, almond, argan, jojoba, castor, and so on, contain nourishing fatty acids. They provide the follicles of your eyelashes with necessary nutrition, thus keeping them happy and healthy. On top of that, essential oils are rich in antioxidants, which are crucial if you want to have fast lash growth. You'll need several drops of castor oil, olive oil, or any of the other oils I mentioned before. Mix it with 1 drop of rosemary, lavender, grapeseed, or tea tree oil. You can use a clean eyebrow or mascara brush, or even your finger. Spread the mix of the essential oils onto your eyelashes before you go to bed and leave it overnight. Remember to do this procedure every evening if you want to achieve your goal as soon as possible. 3. Petroleum jelly. If you don't have any essential oils at hand, petroleum jelly, Vaseline, will do the job. This substance moisturizes and soothes brittle, dry lashes. It also helps them become thicker and grow longer. On top of that, by applying petroleum jelly to your eyelashes, you moisturize your eyelids as well. As a result, your skin stays supple and soft. However, it's essential for your health to do this procedure correctly. First of all, apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly to your brush, and then carefully brush your upper lashes. Be careful not to get any petroleum jelly in your eyes. After doing this, you can spread the leftovers onto your eyelid. If your skin is sensitive, it may cause an unwanted reaction, so apply a bit of petroleum jelly to the back of your hand in advance and check your skin for redness a bit later. After tending to your upper lashes, dip your brush in the petroleum jelly again and apply it to your lower lashes. If you make a habit of doing this procedure every evening before going to bed, your eyelashes will get enough moisture to not fall out or break off prematurely. 4. A healthy and balanced diet. If you starve yourself, or, on the contrary, love junk food a little too much, you won't be able to keep your eyelashes healthy. A lack of vitamins will most likely lead to hair loss and weak, breakable lashes. That is why you should eat more products containing protein. Lean meat, poultry, eggs, cheese, milk, and fish, for example. Healthy fats are also very important for your health. The primary sources of such fats are seeds, almonds, avocados, and olive oil. Eat more leafy vegetables: kale, cauliflower, peas, broccoli, tomatoes, and Brussels sprouts. And don't forget about fruits. They're a great source of vitamins. Pay particular attention to guavas, citrus fruits, apples, blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries. 5. Green tea. There are tons of antioxidants in green tea. These antioxidants, as well as vitamins, encourage lash growth and help your eyelashes become thicker and longer. After all, green tea is the main component in lots of cosmetic products for hair loss treatment. First of all, brew a cup of green tea. Let it cool down and use a cotton pad to apply it to your eyelashes. You should do this procedure once or twice a day. If you do it in the evening, you can leave the green tea on your eyelashes overnight. If you haven't used all the tea, pour it into an airtight container and leave it in the fridge. You can use this concoction for 3 to 4 days. 6. Aloe vera. Both the juice and flesh of aloe vera are excellent for hair nourishment and health. And if it's good for your hair, it will also strengthen your eyelashes. To prepare an aloe treatment for your lashes, find a fresh aloe leaf and squeeze it to get a few drops of juice. Use a brush or your fingertips to apply this juice to your eyelashes and let it sit there overnight. If you want to get a stronger effect, take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice and mix it with 1 tablespoon of olive or castor oil. Put this concoction on your lashes with the help of an old mascara brush. Wait for 15 minutes before rinsing your eyelashes off with cool or warm water. It's best to do this procedure twice a day. 7. Massage. This is a simple and effective way to improve your eyelash nutrition, as well as to stimulate their growth. First of all, wash your hands with soap. Then pour several drops of coconut or olive oil onto your fingertips. Wait a bit to let the oil warm up. After that, massage your eyelashes and eyelids for 3 to 5 minutes. Be very careful not to pull on your eyelashes or press too hard. Try to do this procedure at least twice a week. 8. Egg mask. Egg whites are rich not only in protein, but also in B group vitamins and biotin. These elements help to make your hair and eyelashes stronger and prevent hair loss. Break a fresh egg and mix its white with 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly or glycerin. Use a brush or cotton swab to cover your eyelashes with this mixture. For the best results, repeat this procedure several times a week for a couple of months. It's crucial to mix the egg whites with glycerin or petroleum jelly because otherwise your eyelashes may become brittle and weak. Also, try to prevent the concoction getting into your eyes. 9. Cleansing. If you leave mascara on your eyelashes when you go to bed, you can seriously harm them. It's almost the same as leaving hairspray on your hair for the whole night. As soon as your eyelashes touch the pillow, they will become broken or damaged. That's why you should always take time when removing your makeup in the evening. You can use special makeup removers or good old olive oil, which is a perfect cleanser. 10. Makeup breaks. Every now and then, go for makeup breaks. The problem is that some mascaras, such as, let's say, waterproof ones, have particular components that make lashes dry and fragile. Let your eyelashes rest from several layers of mascara once or twice a week. In addition, get rid of your mascara every 3 to 6 months and buy a new one. It will help you to avoid eye infections. 11. Finally, here are several more useful tips. Be careful not to pull on your eyelashes. You can accidentally do this while curling them. Unfortunately, eyelash roots aren't very long and they can easily fall out. No treatment can provide you with instant results. You will need to wait 2 or 3 weeks to notice the first positive changes. This peculiarity is connected with eyelash growth phases. The average person loses 4 eyelashes a day. If you've noticed that you lose more than that, visit your doctor to check your thyroid gland. If you follow these recommendations, you'll notice that your eyelashes have become visibly longer and thicker in a month. On top of that, they will also get stronger and won't fall out as much. Do you know any other ways to make your eyelashes more beautiful? If so, share your experience in the comment section below. Remember to give this video a like, show it to your friends who have problems with their eyelashes, and subscribe to this channel. This way, you'll always stay on the bright side of life.